Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we're doing some Dollar Tree DIYs. A lot of these DIYs that we're gonna do today are multi-purpose, but I thought they would be great to use in your bathroom. So the first thing we're gonna make is a fun jewelry box that would look great sitting out in your bathroom or your closet area. For this project, you're going to need 6 of these wood boxes. They're in kind of that new wood crafting section at Dollar Tree. And then you also need a package of the wood craft cubes. So start by taking out the inside of the boxes. Next, you're going to stack up the 6 boxes, the outer portion, so that they fit together well. Next, I'm going to use my E6000, so it's a really strong bond to hold them together. I'm going to take out 6 of the craft cubes and paint them white with Waverly White chalk paint. On the outside of my box, I'm going to use Vintage Effects wash in brown, and I'm just going to paint the outer layer. And then I'm also going to take the inside of the boxes, turn them over to the back side, because that's the side I'm actually going to be using now, and paint that with Vintage Effects wash. You're just going to wipe it on, and then you can use a rag to pull off any excess paint so it gives that same appearance as a stain. Once everything's had a chance to dry, take those white cubes and hot glue them to the front of your drawers. All you have to do from there is just put the drawers back in, and it's a perfect place to store your jewelry or anything else you have. This next project is so easy to make, but one of my favorite things to do at Dollar Tree. So I picked up 2 of the large marble plates and 1 of the small marble plates from Dollar Tree. And I also grabbed 2 candle holders there. So this project total was $5. This is so simple. You're just going to start with a large marble plate, hot glue in the center, and then put your piece right down in the center. The key with this is just making sure everything is centered up so that it doesn't kind of tip to one side. I'm just going to continue hot gluing a plate, and then I'm going to hot glue another candle holder, and then finally the top plate I'm going to hot glue on the top. I love having these sit out to hold earrings or just jewelry pieces that don't fit in my jewelry box. I just love having them out ready to go. Dollar Tree has definitely been stepping it up with their craft supplies. I was really excited to find these wood trays. Now they are a bit smaller, so I had to be creative with what I was going to do with them, but I thought they would make really awesome drawer storage for inside of your drawers in the bathroom, or frankly, anywhere. They would be great. So I took them outside and spray painted them with 2 coats of a blue spray paint I had on hand. I just used something I already had. Then I took them inside and I used a marble contact paper. I'll link it down below along with anything I'm wearing or anything else in this video down in the description box. So I'm gonna take the marble contact paper and spread it out. Then I'm gonna use the box, set it on top of my marble contact paper, and then I will just trace around the edge of it so I can cut it out so it can fit down into the container. And all you wanna do is just continue to cut it out until it'll fit the bottom perfectly, or as close to it as you can get. Nothing I do is ever perfect. I made 3 of these and I thought they would be great sitting in my drawer to house makeup or hair supplies or anything else. And then just peel off the backing and stick it down into the bottom. I hope you guys got some great storage ideas for your bathroom. Let me know which of these 3 projects that I did were your favorite. If you're new here, make sure that you're subscribed. I post 2 DIYs each week and I don't want you to miss out on them. And if you missed our last video, it's okay. I'll link it here for you, so just click here and you can go watch that one. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.